Meaning of Edward IV.
Edward IV.
Edward IV.
Edward IV.
Edward IV. Edward IV was the King of England from 1461 to 1470, and again from 1471 until his death in 1483. He played a critical role in the Wars of the Roses, which pitted the houses of Lancaster and York against each other for control of the throne. Edward's victory at the Battle of Towton in 1461 secured his claim to the throne and enabled him to establish a stable monarchy. His reign was characterized by economic growth and relative peace, although it was also marked by political intrigue and dynastic crisis.